class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we have started with unit number 7, that is sports. Okay, and in this session I am going to start with the one more topic, one new topic from the same unit number 7, that is sports and their places of origin. So this is the topic that we are going to start in today's session, and this is given at page number 50. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 50, that is sports and their places of origin. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic here, that is sports and their places of origin. कौन से अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स है बेटा? Okay, so you can, and this is given at page number 50. So what is the meaning of the topic sports and their places of origin? So you know, कोई भी चीज़, everything in the world it has some origin point. कि कोई भी चीज़ दुनिया में बेटा, if we talk about anything, हर चीज़ की शुरुआत कभी ना कभी हुई है. So everything has happened for the first time ever. Okay, चाहे आज हमारे लिए वो चीज़ कॉमन है. So right now, just as I'm using this mobile phone to make the video, so when it was started first for the first time, so people must have been amazed, okay, to see the such invention. But now it is very common. This is a very common practice of using mobile phones. Every kid is having a mobile phone. Okay, so now as we are talking about the mobile phones, okay, just like mobile phones have a certain innovations during the different period of time, so just like this, every sports they also have some origin. So they have been originated from some places. हर चीज़ की शुरुआत, हर चीज़ का ओरिजिन कहीं ना कहीं से हुआ है. तो स्पोर्ट्स का भी ओरिजिन बेटा कहीं ना कहीं से हुआ है, हम चाहे वो किसी भी स्पोर्ट्स की बात करें. सो इन दिस टॉपिक यू विल सी these are the pictures of certain sports. Okay, यहाँ पे बहुत से दोनों साइड पे you can see the pictures of certain sports, and in between the name of the countries are given. So these are the pictures of certain sports, and in between the name of the countries are given, and we have to match the sports with the country name from where they have been originated. तो हमें स्पोर्ट के नाम को जो भी स्पोर्ट्स है बेटा, उसका ओरिजिन किस कंट्री से हुआ है. सो वी हैव टू मैच द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स विद द कंट्री नेम फ्रॉम वेयर विच इट हैज़ बीन ओरिजिनेटेड. सो हियर द हेडिंग इज गिवन, मैच द फॉलोइंग स्पोर्ट्स टू द नेम्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज वेयर दे हैव ओरिजिनेटेड. ओके, तो हमें अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के बारे में बताना है कि कौन सी जगह से इस पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स का ओरिजिन हुआ है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज रग्बी. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज रग्बी. सो ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स हियर. दिस साइड आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स, एंड दिस साइड I'm going to write the name of the country from where it has been originated. So in spite of matching it with the line, you can name it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 up to 8. Okay. So the first picture you can see here, this is a picture of rugby. So this is rugby. So rugby कैसे खेली जाती है? There is a ball, जो कि एक टीम ओवल शेप की बॉल होती है. They hold in their hand and they have to take that ball in their hands, and then they have, मतलब उनको अपने हाथ से और अपने पैर से उसको, मतलब उनको वो बॉल अपने गोल तक लेके जानी होती है. ओके, सो बाय यूजिंग द हैंड. ओके, एंड इसके ऊपर क्या होता है कि एक जो प्लेयर्स हैं, रग्बी प्लेयर्स होते हैं, दे जस्ट बाउंस अपॉन ईच अदर टू गेट दैट बॉल सो दैट दे कैन मेक अ गोल. So from where or from which country this rugby game has been originated? So rugby has its origin from England. तो इन जो रग्बी गेम है बेटा इसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ है? सो रग्बी हैज़ बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. सो राइट डाउन द फर्स्ट वन. द फर्स्ट गेम इज रग्बी. RUGBY. That is RUGBY. That is rugby. And rugby has its origin from England. ENGLAND. That is England. Rugby has its origin from England. तो रग्बी जो गेम है बेटा इसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ है? इंग्लैंड से. Clear? Moving next to the second game. The second game is polo. So now we are talking about another game that is polo. POLO. So what is polo? देखिए polo in the polo game or sports, actually it's of sports. So in the polo sports there are 5 players in each team. हर टीम में 5 players होते हैं. And each of the player of both the teams, they are riding a horse while holding a stick in their hand, and there's a ball that they have to hit while riding the horse. They have to hit a ball with the sticks that they are holding in their another hand, and they will try to make a goal. They will try to make a goal for their team. Okay, so this is polo. तो देखिए हर टीम में 5 players होते हैं पोलो में. And वो हॉर्स राइडिंग करते हुए दे हैव टू हिट द बॉल विद द स्टिक दैट दे आर होल्डिंग इन देयर हैंड्स. ओके, एंड जो टीम सबसे ज़्यादा राइडिंग करती है, सबसे ज़्यादा जो गोल तक उस बॉल को पहुंचाते हैं, दैट टीम इज़ कंसीडर्ड एज द विनर ऑफ द पोलो मैच. ओके, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी कॉमन स्पोर्ट्स दैट इज़ बीइंग द रॉयल कंट्री, मतलब द रॉयल families. They basically these sports are being played in the royal families, but nowadays it's considered as now it is being a very famous sports as well. Okay, so this is polo. So from which country this polo has been originated? तो जो पोलो गेम है बेटा इसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ? So the polo has been originated from Iran. ईरान से हुआ था. So polo, it's an Arabian country, and polo has its origin from Iran. So write down the answer for the second one or match it with the second one. So polo has its origin from Iran. 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 Polo has its origin from Iran. Moving next to the third one. The third game is baseball. Now we are talking about the baseball. अब हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? बेसबॉल. BASEBALL. So baseball. Baseball is a game in which this is played in a square shape placement with this square pitch, in which the players of the same team, they stand in a 4 different corners of that square pitch, and one of the player, he hits the ball with his bat, baseball bat that he is holding. It's a quite heavy bat. Okay, they just hold a very heavy baseball bat in their hand, and then the player of the opponent team, he just throws the ball to the baseball player, okay, those who is batting on the next end. And that baseball player, he has to hit that ball with his bat, and he try to make sure that वो उस बॉल को इतनी दूर हिट करे so that they can take round. तो वो चारों स्क्वायर पे जो उनके प्लेयर्स होते हैं, they can take the rounds to score, to take runs or to score more. Okay, so this is baseball. So from which country this baseball has been originated? So this baseball game has its origin from USA. तो बेसबॉल गेम का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ बेटा? इट हैज़ इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम USA, दैट इज़ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. सो बेसबॉल हैज़ इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम USA, that is United States of America. Baseball has been originated from USA, United States of America. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth sports is sumo wrestling. सुमो रेसलिंग, देखिए सुमो रेसलिंग क्या होती है. दिस इज अ स्पोर्ट्स इन विच द यंग some young boys are selected and they are fed so much so that they can gain more and more weight. तो ये देखिए इस गेम सुमो रेसलिंग का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ. इट हैज़ originated from Japan. तो सुमो रेसलिंग का कहाँ से हुआ ओरिजिन. इट्स अ फॉर्म ऑफ रेसलिंग between the two sumos, okay, and it has its origin from Japan. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि कुछ यंग बॉयज़ को सिलेक्ट किया जाता है एंड देन दे आर फिट सो मच सो दैट दे कैन गेन वेट. सो दे आर फिट सो टाइटली, मतलब उनको इतना ज़्यादा खिलाया जाता है सो दैट उनका जो वेट है वो काफ़ी बढ़ जाए, सो दैट दे बिकेम मोर हेल्दी weight wise as well. So in this sumo wrestling, the weight of the opponent matters a lot. Okay, if a sumo is having a more weight than the other one, so he is having a plus point that he can defeat the other sumo very easily, because in this, these sumos, they are very quite heavy in weight, so they are not able to move their body very easily. So once they are down on the in the ring of the sumo wrestling, so they will not be easily able to get up. So the sumo wrestlers, they just have to simply make the other opponent sumo wrestler bend down on the ring of the sumo wrestling. तो उनको जो opponent sumo wrestler उसको गिराना होता है ring के अंदर, sumo wrestling का जो ring होता है उसके अंदर, okay, and because उनका weight बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, so they will not be easily able to get up. So that's why जो गिराता है, that sumo wrestler is considered as the winner. Clear? So the game is sumo wrestling, and you know these sumo wrestlers, they are not so much बहुत ज़्यादा age के नहीं, तो they are not so much age, मतलब they are hardly from 20 to 25 years of age. They are hardly of 20-25 years of age. Okay, so that means ये जो boys है, these are young boys, मतलब उनकी ऐसी body बनाई जाती है, इससे उनका physique ऐसा किया जाता है, so that they can compete with the other sumo wrestler. और जिसका weight ज़्यादा होता है वो that sumo wrestler has the most possibility of winning the match. So the fourth one is sumo wrestling. The fourth one is sumo wrestling. WRESTLING. So sumo wrestling has its origin from Japan. 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 So sumo wrestling has its origin from Japan. Okay, I'll just write down the number. The England is given at option number D. Then Iran is given at option number A. After that USA is given at option number H. And then last is the Japan is given at option number G. Okay, so these are the four terms related to the sports. Sorry, these are the four sports, and these are the name of the countries from where they have been originated. Rugby has its origin from England, polo has its origin from Iran, baseball has its origin from USA, whereas the sumo wrestling has its origin from Japan. Done? Chalo. Moving next to the fifth one. Let's talk about another sports, the fifth sports that is given in the book. The fifth one is ice hockey. The fifth one is ice hockey. So ice hockey has its origin from Canada. So ice hockey has its origin from Canada. Now what is ice hockey? So this is just like a normal hockey that is played in a grass ground, okay, but the difference between the hockey and the ice hockey is only this, that normal hockey is played in a grass ground, whereas this ice hockey is being played in an ice, what we call it's not a ground actually, it's kind of a field. ये एक बनाया हुआ एक field that is complete, whose floor is completely made of ice. Okay, so this is basically played in an on a ice floor. Ice floor is okay, तो देखिए बिल्कुल हॉकी जैसा ही बिल्कुल उसका फ्लोर होता है, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट लाइक दैट, बट इसका फ्लोर इज दैट इज ऑफ आइस, वो एकदम बर्फ से ऐसा होता है, एंड दैट इज क्वाइट वेरी स्लिपरी. ओके, एंड द प्लेयर्स दोज हु प्ले आइस हॉकी, they have to wear, the players those who are playing the ice hockey, they have to wear the skates and then they play the hockey. तो जो players होते हैं वो अपने पैरों में skates पहनते हैं, skating करते हुए they play this ice hockey. So that means they have to make the balance, they have to balance their body as well while playing this ice hockey. Okay, so this is a quite a, you can a combination of hockey with skating. तो इसको skating और hockey को combination कंबाइन करके स्पोर्ट्स बनाया गया है, दैट इज नोन एज आइस हॉकी. सो फ्रॉम वेयर दिस आइस हॉकी हैज़ बीन ओरिजिनेटेड? सो दिस आइस हॉकी हैज़ इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम कैनेडा. सो राइट डाउन द आंसर फॉर द फिफ्थ वन. आइस हॉकी हैज़ इट्स ओरिजिन, ओके, आइस हॉकी हैज़ बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम कैनेडा. That is Canada. So ice hockey has its origin from Canada. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is golf. The sixth sports is golf. G-O-L-F. So from where this golf has been originated? So this golf game or sports has its origin from Scotland. Okay, so golf का origin कहाँ से हुआ है? Scotland से. Now what is golf and how is it being played? So this golf game is played on a grassy ground. Okay, ये grassy ground में खेली जाती है, and it has a quite very big ground. ये बहुत ही बड़ा जो golf game को खेलने का ground that is quite very big, वो बहुत ही बड़ा होता है. Okay, and there are certain holes at the distance, okay, at the different distance on this golf, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, that is golf course बोलते हैं इसको actually. okay, तो उस golf course में काफ़ी दूर दूर distance पे अलग अलग holes होते हैं, and there are some flags that are being hosted there. अब छोटे flags लगाए जाते हैं white color के. And the golfer is the player who played the golf. तो golf जो खेलते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? golfer. So golfer क्या करते हैं? They have to make, okay, so for playing this golf game, so one needs two things. golf खेलने में दो चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है. The first is the club, second is the ball. Okay, club means the stick with which they hit the ball. तो जिस golf खेलते हैं जो stick को यूज़ कर, जो golfer जो stick यूज़ करते हैं, that stick is known as club. उस stick को क्या बोलते हैं? club. Okay, the golfer has to hit the ball by using his clubs, and he has to make that ball to went into a hole that is already made on this golf course. Okay, and the golfer who make that ball reach inside that hole that is being made on the golf ground in a least number of strikes, that person is considered as the winner. तो गोल्फर को क्या करना होता है? ऑलरेडी उस ग्रास के ऊपर दूर दूर बहुत ही होल्स बने होते हैं, उसके बगल में एक फ्लैग लगा होता है, और गोल्फर्स को क्या करना होता है जो मैच खेलते हैं उनको अपनी क्लब की हेल्प से, क्लब इज़ द स्टिक, जो स्टिक को हाथ में पकड़ते हैं गोल्फर, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्लब. तो उनको अपने क्लब की हेल्प से उस बॉल को हिट करके, वाइट बॉल इज़ देयर, छोटी सी वाइट बॉल होती है, क्वाइट वेरी हैवी, उसको हिट करके उसको उन्हें जो होल्स बने हुए हैं वहाँ तक पहुँचाना होता है. ये नहीं कि एक बार हिट किया और वो बॉल ऑलरेडी चली जाएगी, नो. उनको दे हैव टू मेक सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स, तो उनको कुछ नंबर ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स करनी पड़ती है, सो दैट दे कैन मेक द बॉल वेंट इनटू दैट होल दैट इज़ ऑलरेडी बीन मेड ऑन दैट गोल्फ कोर्स. बट जो गोल्फर है कम से कम स्ट्राइक्स में उस गोल्फ बॉल को उसके होल के अंदर पहुंचा देता है, दैट गोल्फर इज कंसीडर्ड एज द विनर. Okay, so from where this golf game has been originated? So the golf has its origin from Scotland. Golf has its origin from Scotland. Scotland. That is Scotland. So golf has its origin from Scotland. Moving next to the seventh one. So the seventh game is chess. The seventh game I am talking about is chess. So from which country this chess game has been originated? So this chess has its origin from our own country India. तो जो चेस गेम है बेटा इसका ओरिजिन कहाँ से हो? हमारे ही देश इंडिया से. ओके आपको अगर आई जस्ट गिव एन सिंपल एग्जांपल तो देखिए दिस चेस गेम इज बेसिकली ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम अ गेम दैट इज नोन एज चतुरंगा. Now what is Chaturanga? So I'll just give an example of it. So you must have seen the Mahabharata in which Shakuni Mama and the Kaurav they used to play a match with Pandavas in which in that match the Pandavas they have lost their everything. Okay, and the game that they play in which जो game वो खेलते हैं that game is known as Chaturanga. And from that game this chess has उसी गेम से इंस्पायर होगी जो न्यू गेम बनी दैट इज नोन एज चेस. ओके सो चेस हैज इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम इंडिया. दिस इज फ्रॉम आवर ओन कंट्री इंडिया. INDIA दैट इज इंडिया. चेस हैज इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम इंडिया. मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द एट्थ वन. द एट्थ गेम इज लॉन टेनिस. द नेक्स्ट इज lawn tennis. Okay, so lawn tennis has its origin from France. तो जो फ्रांस के जो लॉन टेनिस का ओरिजिन कहाँ से हुआ था? फ्रांस से हुआ था. सो दिस इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ अ टेनिस दैट इज प्लेड ऑन अ ग्रासी ग्राउंड इन विच द सर्टेन कैटेगरीज ऑफ मैच आर बीइंग हेल्ड. And this is played on a grassy ground and that is played with the help of a racket and a ball. Okay, so from which country this lawn tennis has been originated? So lawn tennis has its origin from France. So देखिए France. France. That is France. Okay, so I am just writing the options now. Canada is given at option number B. Canada is given at option number B. The next is Scotland, that is given at option number E. After Scotland, India is given at option number F. And the last is France is given at option number C. Okay, so this is the answer from page number 50. And with this we have completed the topic as well, that is sports and their places of origin. Now we still have some time left, so now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is cups and trophies. So all of you open your books at page number 51, that is cups and trophies. So write down the today's date on page number 51, that is cups and trophies. This is cups and trophies, and this is given at page number 51, cups and trophies. So first of all, what is the meaning of this topic, or what kind of thing we are going to discuss in this? So in this topic we will discuss about the various games and sports, and here the pictures of 6 trophies are given and we have to mention. तो देखिए 6 pictures दी हुई अलग अलग trophies की, and we have to mention which. Okay, so these pictures are given along with the names. तो पिक्चर्स ट्रॉफीज़ के नेम्स के साथ साथ उनके नेम्स भी दिए हुए हैं, एंड वी हैव टू मेंशन विद विच स्पोर्ट्स दीज ट्रॉफीज़ आर बीइंग एसोसिएटेड. सो ये जो ट्रॉफीज़ हमारे सामने दी हुई हैं ये कौन से स्पोर्ट्स से एसोसिएटेड है? ओके, here I am writing the trophies. Okay, I am just writing the trophies, and here I will write down the sports with which they have been associated. That is sports. So the first is FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup. So the FIFA World Cup is associated with which sports? So FIFA is a World Cup that is associated with football. So FIFA फुटबॉल से एसोसिएटेड एक नहीं, मतलब जो फुटबॉल के वर्ल्ड कप को जिसको बोलते हैं फीफा वर्ल्ड कप. ओके, एंड दिस इज फीफा वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी इज एसोसिएटेड विद football. So write down the answer. That is football. FIFA World Cup is associated with football. Moving next to the second one. The second is Davis Cup. The second cup whose picture is given over here. That is Davis Cup. Davis Cup is associated with which sports? तो डेविस कप कौन से स्पोर्ट्स से एसोसिएटेड है? डेविस कप इज एसोसिएटेड विद लॉन टेनिस. So Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Moving next to the third one. The third trophy whose picture is given here is that is the Ashes. The third trophy जिसकी picture दी हुई है, the name of the trophy is the Ashes. So the Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. So Ashes trophy is associated with cricket. So Ashes trophy कौन से स्पोर्ट्स से एसोसिएटेड है? That is associated with cricket. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth one is Musketeers Trophy. The next is Musketeers Trophies. The spelling is a little bit complicated. So that is the Musketeers Trophy. The Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. The Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is ICC World Cup. The fifth is ICC World Cup. So ICC World Cup is associated with cricket. So ICC World Cup कौन से किससे associated है? So this is associated with cricket. ICC World Cup is associated with cricket. So cricket का जो World Cup होता है that is ICC World Cup. So these are the name of the trophies and these are the name of the sports with which they are associated. Last is the Ranji Trophy. The sixth is the Ranji Trophy. The Ranji Trophy. So the Ranji Trophy is associated with cricket. CRICKET. रणजी ट्रॉफी जो हमारी स्टेट टीम्स खेलती हैं, सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विथ क्रिकेट. सो दीज आर द नेम ऑफ द ट्रॉफीज एंड द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स विद विच दीज ट्रॉफीज आर बीइंग एसोसिएटेड. ओके, फीफा वर्ल्ड कप फुटबॉल, डेविस कप लॉन टेनिस, द एशेज विद क्रिकेट, द Musketeers Trophy is associated with lawn tennis, ICC World Cup is associated with cricket, and the Ranji Trophy is also associated with cricket. So this is the answer. You can pause your videos here and note down in your books at page number 51. So this was from my today's session as well. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.